how to create TikTok business account. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you create TikTok business account. So let's get it started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open this TikTok app, and now from here you will have to log in with your TikTok account whom you want to create the business account. So from here you will have to go with the options, three lines just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on this three line, and now from here all the way you will have to go with the options setting and privacy, and now from here you will have to go with the options account, so it will appear on the top. So simply tap on the account, and from here you got the options like switch to business account. So simply you have to tap on the switch to business account option. All right, so from here TikTok will show this some procedure to switch your account to the business account. So simply you can follow the procedure to change your account to business account. So simply next. All right, so now from here you can choose the category, that which type of video you have been uploading or which type of business yours. So you can identify your business. So I will select electronics. Okay, so from here you will have to give the email address. All right, so after completing the procedure to make the business account, you will be able to use the TikTok business account on your phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method to create a TikTok business account. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.